Mary asked the question, can you erase just part of what you've done on Collaborate's whiteboard? And I thought the answer to that was no. I've done things where I was drawing or typing, and when you use this eraser tool, everything's gone. Well, after doing some research, or I can just say Googling, I found out that there's actually a way to do what we're trying to do. That is, erase just one thing on the whiteboard screen. What you're going to use is the select button. Once you do that, you click on the line that you're trying to get rid of. You can move it, or you can take it right off the screen. And that, again, you have to click right on the line in order to get it moved, but that will let you go ahead and adjust, delete, or move around some of your figures. I believe you can also resize it. There we go. So it's a lot better than just having that button to click and having everything disappear.